Underneath the bone, the mandible. Up. Underneath, we press up and release quickly down. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Just have a look. Press up and release down quickly. Press up and release down quickly. So we show him that he needs the mouth needs to be closed. Elevate the pressure here, and when you release it quickly, you tell him it's applosive. Okay? Now the tongue is involved.
Yes.
No, he's involved. He was doing on purpose. Okay, again, the tongue out. Okay? Increase. Okay? You press, you release quickly. If you release quickly enough, you create plosive, and then it goes more towards the D. Now he wasn't looking for D, he was looking for N. But it didn't force him, but it drew him towards the D. He's going for Ma. No good. So we ask for tongue out. Tricky. Tongue out, you can't go for the Ma. And no nose, then you go for the N as well. What do? You go for the. Okay? That's how we play with the parameters. We know what we need, we see the mistake, we try to control it or play around that. Okay? We hope that the child will come with us, will try to help us and not work.